Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to give a review on Google Maps. And this might come as a little bit scary, but whenever you go somewhere, most times if you have your location services enabled on your phone, it will recognize that you have been to a certain place and it will give you that pop-up in your phone. So it could even come from an app that you're using. For example, you use a taxi app or you're using a Bolt or whatever, you might use an Uber. These things allow to have your location services on. And by doing this, you will also realize that when you open up your Google Maps, you will see that it actually have that place recorded in your phone. So you want to go ahead and open up your Google Maps app, guys, and you can go ahead and search for a place that you have been in the past. For example, if you use the Google Maps, you can see here that you have the search at the top and it will most likely show your recent visits or place. Now, let's take, for example, Moon Club. I will go to Moon Club here and you will see that this was the last place, for example, I used my map to find, and it shows the place here and I can go down and I can find, for example, the reviews. No, so I will just tap on the reviews section, and here you can see, if you scroll down, you have other reviews that people give. But if you want to give a review, you can see the section here that says rate and review. Now you can choose a star. So let's say if it was really good, I can put, for example, a 4 star or 5 star. And here you can see it says tell us other things. You can see, okay, it asks about the food, the service, the atmosphere, and you can choose whatever you want to choose there, right? So you can go ahead and give those different reviews and tell us about your experience. You can write whatever you want there, and it asks even more depending on the place, right? It can ask you about how much you spend and all these different kind of things, right? You can see here it also gives you option to add photos and videos. That is very useful because people want to sometimes see the things that you bought or your experience and all these different kind of things. And this is much better to show with a picture and video because it gives people the visuals of that, right? They can see the visual of your experience there. So you can choose to simple tap on that and you can choose to allow that to your phone and so forth. And you can basically add photos and videos. Now you can scroll on and you can find other things, right? You can go through additional details such as you have parking, if it's kid friendly, all these different kind of options. You can just tap to basically choose whatever you want in these. It's not mandatory, so it's really up to you. And once you're done, all you have to do is just simply tap on post. And as you can see, you are making a post. As you can see, it says you earned some points and I've made my post. And you can see there that it shows answers and ratings and all those good stuff. And that's basically it, guys. Now, once you're finished off, and you can continue with your day. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.